I will introduce what is STEP. STEP, the full name is Simple Text Planner. It's a domain-specific language for text generation, and it basically uses a lot of ideas from the languages called Planner and Prolog from the early 1970s. So now I will show you how to write the simplest STEP program. If you guys remember, the first time we learned how to write a program, we will say hello world. So here we'll do the same thing too. So just by type hello world, and then we save this file in as a tutorial.step in the TalkTown, the project folder, and then we open that in Unity to run STEP code. So currently we are already in the project TalkTown, and then we just type hello. And the reason is we need to save this and then reload. Now the hello is here, and hello is the name of the method or the name of the task, and after the comma is the thing, the text to pretend, and there can be some variations. For example, we can say hello Ola, hello, hi there, and hello bonjour, and we should put randomly in order to let the hello choose which text to pretend. If we don't have that, always the first line of that task will be called. So let's try it. Reload it by press Ctrl and R and hello world, hello, and print enter. Press the enter key. We can keep run again. So each time it will randomly choose one of that. And now we can try something different. We can try to use hello to print something longer, like a paragraph. To do so, let's go back to the STEP code. We just try to write something different. So in here is a hello, and we have the end, which allows us to have multiple lines available instead of just one line. And then we save this. So this we write a little conversation, and let's try to reload it and pretend. So you see, now it print a longer one. Then we can try something else. We can try to combine different tasks. So let's go back to the code. So here we have a new task called sentence, and there are 3 options. But we notice here most of the parts are the same. So the cat is the same, and it will always end with the dog. So we can try to replace this variation by new methods called verb. So now this is put in a verb, and then we can change this sentence to another new method. So we replace those part by verb, and then we remove this part. And now let's try to use task sentence to print something. So reload, always reload first. Ctrl and R, and type sentence, and keep press enter key to get different warning. You see, they can have different text generate each time. And we can even go back to the code and do some other changes. So we can have two sentence tasks. One is the cat verb dog, another dog verb cat, and it can print a new text. And if we want to have more variations, we can even replace this part too. So let's go make some change. Let's use the long and the long to replace those two parts. And we have a task to print long, and now we remove this part. And then let's try how the sentence can look like now. So reload sentence. Here is one text generated, and then another one. So now we have a lot of variations just by the simple tasks. So once we know how to do the short text generation, we can move forward to generate a much longer text. For example, we can write a method called manifest, and we can have a longer paragraph. Have those four methods. Those four methods will be created shortly. Let's do that together. So we have a task called over, and a task called technology, and task called synthesis, and socially. So let's try to print manifest. Let's run it here. Manifesto. Here is one text paragraph, and let's get another one. So this can potentially help us generate a lot of text and replace the key elements by our preference. In the next video, I will talk something about how to do story shifting, which basically is about pattern matching.